Hello and welcome to Primeritus Financial Services. I'm Jennifer Turnage, CEO. Thank you for sharing a few minutes of your day with us. Please join me for a quick behind-the-scenes tour of the daily life in one of our offices. Primeritus was built through the acquisition of the best companies in the market. You may have met us under the Rockmore or GIS brand in Dallas, Texas, the Primeritus brand in Nashville, Tennessee, the Consolidated Asset Recovery Systems, or CARS or I-Beam brands in Raleigh, North Carolina, or the FTL brand in Arizona. If you're new to our community, welcome. We appreciate your interest in learning more. Primeritus provides seamless full-service skip, recovery, and remarketing services to asset-based lenders, as well as the self-service software option of our I-Beam platform. While most of our business involves cars and trucks, we also handle specialty assets such as power sports, boats, RVs, and even the occasional airplane. If you can finance it, one of our agents can pick it up in the U.S. or its territories, and it can be sold at auction. Let's talk. We provide these services by focusing on 4 areas. Think of these as the 4 legs supporting the table upon which we serve our clients. First is people. Our employees are your daily contacts and are key to delivering excellent service. Our growing team is ready to serve you from our Nashville, Raleigh, and Dallas offices. Our employees and the experience they bring to you are our greatest asset. We love recognizing employment anniversaries, which routinely include over 20 years of service. Second, our service provider network. Our agents, auctions, title processors, and transporters are an extension of our employees and deliver all services in the field. Third is technology. Whether you're working directly in our I-Beam platform, an integrated platform of your own in-house system, you will find benefit from the features of our in-house development team and continuing to create and increase our recovery rates and reduce days to sale. Fourth, IT security and compliance. Risk management is part of our DNA, including IT security and regulatory compliance. Our in-house team of experts ensures we are SOC 2 compliant, pass all client and regulatory audits, and protect you and our data. The combination of these 4 areas is the not-so-secret sauce, which allows us to help you reduce loan losses, to improve your organization's bottom line, and increase lending capacity. We service a wide variety of U.S. lenders, large and small, captive to title loans, specialty credit unions, and CPI insurance providers. We look forward to further discussions with you to share the best practices our team has mastered over years of experience, combined with the benefits of industry-leading technology and thought leadership.